Netiks 360 Contact Center, a delightful customer service experience.
Agentic AI is at the forefront of the technology world right now, and Copilot Studio is one of the leading tools that allows you to build agents that can process customer requests for information and answer in natural language, as well as handling requests and performing tasks autonomously. In this demo, we are going to present a modern customer service experience using part of the Microsoft technology stack that includes Dynamics 365 Customer Service, Field Service, Contact Center, Copilot Studio, Power Apps, and Power Pages. This demo will cover a government entity that is responsible for handling licensing requests for technical and vocational educational institutions. We will be taking two scenarios, one happy scenario when an institution applies for a new license and acquires it with no issue, and a second scenario where the institution fails to qualify and must appeal the rejected request. We are going to start off on WhatsApp, where in this scenario an institution called Netiks International wants to apply for a new license. As soon as the contact states his or her intent, the Copilot agent is going to request the information to create a primary contact for this institution. Then, the contact provides it with the information by giving details such as the full name, mobile number, and email address, after which the Copilot agent will create a contact inside Dynamics 365 CRM. Going back on WhatsApp, we can see that the agent has shared the URL to a Power Pages website where the contact is requested to sign in before being able to create a new license request. After that, the contact fills out all the necessary information to create a new license request for Netiks International and submits it. The institution can track its request statuses using the dashboard inside the Power Pages site. A notification will be sent out to the relevant party at each step of the process. One similar to the WhatsApp message asking the contact to submit the request through the portal, another one that informs the contact of a successful submission, and one for the government entity relationship manager who is tasked with handling the new license request. Opening the record through the link provided in the last notification, the relationship manager can either approve or reject the new license request after reviewing the credibility of the information. In the first scenario, we are going to approve it, which will in turn task the Copilot agent to create a work order which has an inspection task for the field service agent to go and perform an inspection of the institution. Things like buildings, tutor qualifications, and academic director qualifications. The inspector can use the field service mobile application to complete the inspection task, where after conducting the inspection and completing the relevant checklist, he or she can select from a variety of results such as pass, fail, partial pass, and not available. For this scenario, we're going to pass this inspection, after which the Copilot agent will automatically approve the license request and issue a license document in Word format, which is sent to the customer in an email. The beauty of this Word document is that the Copilot agent was able to fill all the relevant information using an AI prompt from the AI Builder collection of tools available in Copilot Studio. In the second scenario, the institution is not qualified for licensing, and instead of approving the inspection, the inspector decides to fail the inspection due to a non-approved tutor and provide the tutor's name in the description of the inspection. Now that the inspection is rejected, the new license request is also rejected, and the rejection reason is the same description the inspector provided when failing the inspection. After receiving a notification with an AI-powered recommendation of how to amend the situation, the institution is prompted to take action and appeal the rejected license request. Taking the necessary steps, the institution can then resume appealing through WhatsApp or any other channel available to it, such as telephony and emails, simply by typing in their intent alongside the reference number provided to the institution during the application process. After entering the appeal reason, the institution receives an OTP through the phone number registered during the application process, then provides it in chat. The AI agent will analyze the rejection reason, and since it is a non-approved tutor in this scenario, the AI agent checks the tutor's name in an external list provided by the Ministry of Education for approved and certified tutors to check if the tutor in question is approved and certified in an effort to automatically resolve the appeal without any human intervention. In this case, it finds that the tutor is approved and automatically accepts the appeal. Since this was the sole reason for rejection, the request is approved and the license is issued. At any point during the conversation, the institution contact can decide to speak to a human agent, where the AI agent will route the conversation to Dynamics 365 Contact Center using Azure Communication Services, where a customer service representative can pick up the conversation and assist the institution in its requests after reviewing the 360 view of the contact in question. The Copilot for Customer Service built into Contact Center offers a summary of the conversation, and the customer service agent can now communicate with the customer. Back to the Customer 360 view. This 360 view is built using Power Apps and it offers the customer service representative a holistic view of the contact. If a contact is not automatically matched, they can search for the contact using email, phone number, or name to find the correct match, and then view the customer profile. After which, the representative can view the contact details and institution details on the left, as well as the institution qualifications on the bottom part of the view. On the top, the representative can view the KPIs of the institution. The first one shows the license in green alongside the expiry date. However, if the license was expired, it would have been shown in red, and if no license existed, then it would have been shown in blue. Other KPIs such as the work order status, inspection status, and the latest request status also behave in a similar manner. Under the KPIs, there are different tabs available to the customer service representative. The timeline shows the activities such as appointments, phone calls, and emails alongside their statuses. The Request tab shows the current and previous requests alongside the institution name, request type, and request status. The License tab displays the latest license issued to an institution, with some information such as the expiry date, address, when it was created, the institution type, and the license status. The Inspections tab shows you the inspections done for the institution, time scheduled, percentage completed, and the result of each inspection. And finally, the Complaints tab shows you the complaint cases by this customer. However, we have to switch to a different customer as this one does not have any. In the Complaints tab, you will see the case title, subject, description, and current status of each case. On the right, you have the action bar. The first button will allow you to search and find a different customer. The second one will allow you to refresh the 360 view. The third one will allow you to create a task. The fourth will allow you to create a request. And the final button will allow you to create a contact within Dynamics 365.